6,500 founders on. This is wonderful, wonderful news. So hello, everyone. Hello. May not. I was thinking about what Ash and his team have done over the last few years. And to think about the building, getting the building set, dealing with COVID, bringing people on board, just onboarding staff, training them, hiring them, dealing with logistics, dealing with staff issues. Ash has talked to us about that. He is like a CEO who is involved with almost everything. And just to start a brick and mortar business like that, even though a lot of it is online, it is a tremendous amount of coordination. It's a tremendous amount of energy.
Definitely OnPassive is a big project. We need to understand it. If people they are not understanding OnPassive still, they need to go to our blogs there, and they need to go to our webinars, recorded webinars. Just try to understand OnPassive. It's a very, very huge project. And I personally feel that every founder should know.
I certainly agree with everything that everybody's saying. And well, I'll tell you what, as founders go, we're rocking, and this business is absolutely fantastic.
Discussed a few more products in queue. We're preparing them for release. We will be releasing a product that is O-Trim for today. It is not Trim URL, it is O-Trim. Totally different product. We'll let you know how valuable it is, and the importance of that. It's much more than you think.
We were so excited about the O-Trim application that we've built out, and it's actually one of the products that we are proud of. Looking at the kind of functionalities that we've built in and we've envisaged, we'll probably kind of outgun most of the other products in the market. And as we go through the demo, and I'm sure you'll see why we are so proud of it.
O-Trim basically helps the users to shorten the long URLs so that it will be easy for them to share across the social media platforms, and they'll be able to see how the link is performing online. When we compare to market, the application is worth around $2,388 per year, and as part of GoFounder subscription, we are giving it as a free. Okay, this is the overview of the product. Like what happens is when we paste any long URL, so where user is able to trim it, and it's going to be look like very small, so that when we post on a social media platform, it's the link will be very small and it'll be easy to view. So we can see like no spam policy is not being offered by everyone in the market. So these are one of your unique features. And connect custom domains, URL encryption, secure link sharing, audience intelligence, no ad policy. Like none of the people in the market is providing this kind of feature. Like when other people are using shortened URLs, so they keep on sending the ads, and it will be very disturbing for the users to see it. And it's been fully responsive.
Right. So if I look at some of the functionalities, and like I was saying, we are very happy to present this product, because if you look at the three names that you see on the right, and as Ash rightly calls them, the outdated features that they have.
So these are the top 10 reasons to use our trim URL and O-Trim. Okay, we kind of covered them, but for the most part, it's a complete shortener. It's not one or two features, it's every single feature, from security, from branding, from convenience, from sharing and marketing, all of that in one place. So it's a complete trimmer. It's not a short sleeve. All right, so this is a logged in user. Okay, now, which will be, remember, single sign-on with GoFounders. You're not going to have to log in. It will be there. Just click and trim.
So this is where it becomes interesting. So there are two ways where you can actually, there's an interesting way where how you can generate leads for the URLs that you're trimming. So what's going to happen here is every time you try and trim, the application is going to ask you how would you like to receive the customers who are clicking on the URL. What this means is there are two ways where you can utilize it. Either someone clicks on it and directly goes to the blog post in this case, or when someone clicks on it, it's going to ask you So it's going to ask the potential person who's clicking on the link to put in their email ID and actually validate it using a one-time password as well, to make sure that the lead that you're generating is authentic, it is valid, and all those leads would actually show up on your dashboard, on your personalized dashboard, with all the email addresses in it as well.
Bill, maybe we can wrap it up with a different note. I like what you talked about, the different pieces that we are superior to different things, but stay tuned. Dr. Bill and I will be featured on a health magazine in April. Dr. Shah will be on Shark Tank, I believe sometime this month or next month, in the next couple of weeks. And he has patent-free, approved patent for the product that he did. I'm telling you, if I get impressed by something, it's got to be something. So we've seen some products that are going to be disruptive. The beauty, we're working with them as a team for OnPassive to have that collaboration, and all those intelligent people, all those smart people are a part of the OnPassive community. You're talking about OnPassive, you got 500,000 headed to 1 million customers are waiting on the door with their payment to benefit from the massive products we have and to be a part of this journey. And second, the company is well funded. We talked about astronomical. The company is funded until we launch, and we don't have to use a penny.
I don't think everyone quite understands what you have and your team have accomplished. And I don't just mean the product. I'm talking about the business standpoint between a building, the hiring, dealing with COVID, dealing with employee issues, onboarding, training, all of the ins and outs. I mean, just back in my time when we would open up a new supermarket, we'd have 4 months to get it going. That was only 200 employees, and we had thousands of people supporting the process, and it was exhausting. You have really are at the pinnacle of a CEO who is on top of everything that's going on. So just kudos to you, and just please take care of yourself. I know.
Can you see what's happening here? Oh, look at that. So we're going to play a game. Okay. This is O trim. It's a piece. You see it? This is O tracker. O connect. Academy, O domain, O staff, O peer, O pal, O pay, O wallet, O traffic, O this, O that. You know the list, okay? O virtual,
Oh my,
ditch,
oh my,
O my, O my.
oh my
Okay?
life.
See all those O's? One. It's a beautiful business. Even if it's O trim, it's superior to everything, if you can see that. Even if it's one. But add to it O doodle, O create, O host, O domain, O this, okay, add to it. You see how it's piling up? That's what makes up the biggest giant big O as one piece. Still, each one is superior to its peer. We will not launch a product just to fill in the blank. We don't need to. We're only doing this as a value in one place.
Hey Ash, before you go, can I just say something?
Of course, anything in
Sorry,
your heart.
I got
Let it
kicked out. I got kicked out and I came back in. So, when I found OnPassive, I had to quit my job, because I know this is the business and this is the company that will change my life. And I talk to my people as my family. I tell them, you just have to be there. Ash, just give us enough internet and all my people will be on. That's the determination that we have. If we have the access to hook up on the internet, I think all the PNG people will be here. That's the thing. But I'm just sharing from my heart that we really love the business. We love you. We thank you for the platform that you have given us.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. And we love you too. We're going to see you there. And there's one thing can happen to Papua New Guinea with OnPassive. Win, 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 win.